Hi everyone, welcome to SyncEzy's Simpro-Xero integration demo. Simpro's integration with Xero Payroll makes it easy to get the timesheets out of Simpro and get them into the Xero Payroll system so you can make your weekly, fortnightly or monthly pay run. It transfers timesheets across, scheduled time on jobs comes across as normal time or overtime, and activities can come across, including leave and allowances. So some of the benefits of the integration are that you can maintain one accurate set of timesheets. So you can focus on having accurate timesheets in Simpro and then use that same data to come across for payroll. This also allows you to keep those job costs in sync with payroll costs. So the hours that are recorded in the timesheets can be applied to the jobs that staff are working on. Having only one set of timesheets to deal with means that you can quickly and easily transfer that through to the payroll and have payroll done in a quicker and easier manner. It also gives staff an incentive to get the timesheets accurate and done correctly in the first instance, as they know their pay is based on that information. The integration also automatically calculates overtime. So that can be based on different employee groups, whether they're technicians or apprentices, etc., and allows you to put in different overtime rules for those different groups if required. It can also auto-calculate breaks, so mandatory unpaid breaks in the middle of the day can automatically be applied to staff's timesheets. And importantly, the integration has the ability to capture allowances, so you can have them entered in the timesheets in Simpro via staff or administrators and have those come through and applied on a per unit basis into Xero on the payroll. For all our integrations, we offer 24 hours a day, 5 days a week support via live chat, phone and email. We are IPA SOC 2 Type 2 certified and have been that for the last 3 years. We are also certified by the App Defense Alliance as per the CASA protocol. So we've met stringent security requirements, and if your company has requirements around it for approval, we can make sure we meet those requirements. As a company, we are trusted by hundreds of customers worldwide to help them sync their data, and there are case studies available on our website to learn more. So what does it actually look like? Let's jump over and take a look at some examples. So let's first of all take a look at the Simpro timesheets. Staff or administrators are able to add in the jobs that they're working on, as well as any other activities that may come up in the day-to-day running of the business. In addition to that, they're able to add in any allowances that they may be entitled to. So here we can see a tool allowance and a meal allowance, an on-call allowance for the first part of the week, and we can see a site allowance here for this particular site that they've been working on. So once staff or administrators have added in the hours into a timesheet, when it's time to run a pay run, we switch across into the SyncEzy app, and we're able to then pull the timesheets from Simpro, and we can see all of the hours here, any overtime calculations, any allowances, etc. And when you're ready, you can then send those timesheets to Xero. As part of the setup, we go through and we pair employees, activities, as well as set up overtime settings, break settings, and calendar settings, so that when the data transfers through into Xero, it all lands exactly the right spot. So if we take a look at the example from before, our staff member's timesheet has come across into this particular pay run, and we can see their ordinary hours occurring here, their overtime hours being calculated based on your overtime settings, and any allowances that have been added appearing here. As part of the implementation process, we do go through and assist with setting up all of these settings. And if you need any assistance at any stage, we recommend using the 24/5 chat support, which allows you to send us through a message and we can get back to you straight away, or you can give us a call or send us an email. But our 24/5 chat support covers your working week to make sure that you're always supported, particularly on those stressful pay run days. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.